Hi everyone, today we are going to introduce the motor for the sliding gate. For the standard accessories of the motor, it is equipped with 2 pieces remote controls, 2 pieces limits, and a motor plate with some screws. As for the installation, the motor is fixed 60 to 65 mm from the check. If the height of the gear to the check is not enough, please make a concrete base according to your local situation. Then fix the limit on the check to stop the gate. When fully opening the gate, fix the open limit on the check with screws. When fully closing the gate, fix the closed limit. When the limit strikes this one, the gate will stop. The sliding gate can be operated by remote control automatically. And the distance to the gate is around 30 meters. When there is power failure, we can open the clutch key of the motor and it can operate it manually. When closing the clutch key, the gate needs to operate by remote controls. The motor also supports some intelligent functions if needed, like Wi-Fi control. Install the Wi-Fi in your home, then you can open the gate without any distance. Keypad with card reader is also a good choice. Intelligent intercom systems is available with many functions like fingerprint, password, face recognition, card reader, and mobile Wi-Fi control.